So over the period, we have received multiple inquiries to outsource a part of consultation projects to us. Since we have supply chain apps and expertise in data science and consultation, we decided to cater to these requests through shared service center. Center of gravity analysis is the most important analysis in network design. Most of the cost in the network depends on the center location. It is also one of the initial steps of the study. If there's any mistake in this analysis, the whole network will be flawed. We decided to start with center of gravity analysis so that the customers can be assured on this step. It's a simple three-step process. In step one, the customer will send us the raw data or data dump. We will create data models to structure the data and make it ready for the analysis. In step two, we will do center of gravity analysis and create multiple scenarios. We will then verify these scenarios on pre-decided parameters like service levels, costs, etc. In step three, we will create a professional presentation to sum up the study and the scenarios. We will also create dashboards and maps with pre-decided KPIs for the customers to make easy choices. So there are multiple benefits. First, there is time saving on data crunching activities, which covers most part of the project. This can be ensured as we create professional data models to structure the data, which takes less time for data crunching and data structuring. In solution designing, time directly impacts the cost. So if you are saving on time, you are saving on costs as well. Second, the customers can use LogHub's capabilities in solution design and club it with their own expertise, hence making them stronger. Third, it also benefits in keeping the project timelines under control. This can be ensured as we provide clear-cut timelines for each and every product. And last, there is a cost benefit of shared service center. We do not have any competition in this field. This service is specifically designed to cater to logistics service providers and supply chain consultants, individual or enterprise, who are using supply chain apps. Our idea is to join hands with these organizations to make them stronger. Our shared service center would work as an extended arm of these organizations for solution designing. Our preferred market is 3PL, 4PL, 5PL, logistics service providers, and supply chain consultation organizations. Most of supply chain consultation organizations look for freelancers to outsource part of their projects. Instead, now they can outsource it to us while working parallelly on other aspects of the project. In solution designing, working parallelly or simultaneously on two different aspects of the project also leads to cost saving and time saving. So this can also be one more benefit for these organizations. The next steps are very simple. Any organization or individual interested in the services of shared service center can book a call directly with us. We would love to explain the features, benefits, process and pricing in detail. In this call, if required, we would also align with the requirements and understand how we can work together. In order to book a call directly with us, you can use the link mentioned below, or you can write an email to ritik.luthra@loghub.com.